stealing the identity of a real lawyer.
This morning, police say this Utah woman, Carla Carbo, went to criminal lengths to show off her courtroom skills. But since she's not a lawyer and has no legal training, Carbo allegedly stole this woman's identity. Real-life lawyer Carla Sterling even defending an accused thief. Listen, her in court trying to get a felony plea deal reduced.
We amended the felony of third degree to a misdemeanor class A. He understands the pleading agreement.
Lawyer or not, it worked. But that plea deal has since been voided after she landed in legal trouble herself, charged with fraud and forgery for posing as Sterling, a lawyer whose name and license she allegedly used for the scheme.
I'm surprised at her brazenness that she took things to that level to walk in open court and lie to everyone there.
The real Carla Sterling says she learned about Carla Carbo. She says she got a call to appear in court about a criminal case she knew nothing about.
She made a statement that I'm not a criminal attorney.
I was upset. I wanted to cry.
In a statement, Carbo's attorney tells ABC News she maintains she is not guilty and that she has found herself in a predicament due to a series of misunderstandings. Carbo now getting ready for her next court battle over her own freedom.
North Korea has issued a furious statement slamming the US for imposing sanctions following the cyber Sony attack. It's accused America of stirring up hostility after the White House threatened several North Korean government officials and the nation's defense industry. North Korea continues to deny masterminding this hacking scandal. She's used to a lavish lifestyle of fame and fortune, but one of the stars of the Real Housewives of America franchise is this week going to swap stilettos for a prison jumpsuit.
You want me to apologize for what? What am I apologizing for?
This morning, New Jersey housewife Teresa Judy J cherishing her last day of freedom with her family as she faces a different type of reality on Monday. Prison. The star, known for her lavish lifestyle, fiery temper on the show that made her famous, now has taken on a new persona, humility. In this clip from October's Watch What Happens Live, Judy J tells Andy Cohen none of this feels real.
I feel like I'm numb. Once I keep getting by my daughters.
And in an interview on GMA, Judy J tells Amy Robach she must keep a strong front for her 4 young daughters.
I have to take care of them. You know, they want to see mommy happy the way mommy's always been.
While Judy J has been relatively silent on social media, her daughter tweeted this in the early hours of Saturday morning. Can't too much stuff on my mind. A judge sentencing Judy J to 15 months in federal prison. Her husband, 3.5 years, after the two pled guilty in March to multiple counts of fraud. While it's not a famous mansion in Jersey, the federal Danbury prison in Connecticut might be famous in its own right.
The prison she's going to is allegedly the one that's shown in Orange is the New Black.
From New York Times best-selling author to convicted felon, many believe Judy J will find a way to bounce back.
Teresa is nothing if not a survivor, and she'll find a way to use this to her benefit.
It's a ride that pleases both thrill seekers and sightseers alike. Zip lines or flying foxes are increasing in popularity. The one woman is recovering in an Alabama hospital after plunging almost 10 meters from a ride.
Before launching herself on this Alabama zip line on New Year's Eve, Tabitha Baker says she was worried something wasn't quite right. Then, this. She ended up with serious injuries. It's not clear why she fell, but the zipline operators say there was nothing wrong with her heart.